Extensions are one of those things which, according to me, is the major reason why VS Code is so famous. In this video, I am going to show you some of the extensions which I use daily as a web developer. At number 1, I have auto rename tag. This extension helps me automatically rename the paired HTML or XML tag. Recently, I have been using this extension called Code Snap, which allows me to take beautiful screenshots of my code in VS Code. This helps me while sharing codes with friends so that they can review it. At number 3, we have Error Lens, an extension which helps me to debug my errors very fast. At number 4, we have Import Cost, a simple VS Code extension which shows the size of the imported package. And this extension helps me to prevent importing large packages which may not be useful later. Last but not least, I use the ES7 React Redux extension for React snippets. Along with this, I also use SVG Previewer to preview my SVGs in the file itself. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, and comment down below any video ideas you have which I can do in this channel, and see you again in the next one. Till then, peace.